Hi, it's HardwareSet and today I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on Honor Magic V5. So first, check the headphones. Test your headphones with another device to ensure they're working and inspect their USB-C for visible damage and debris. Because this phone doesn't have the headphone jack, you probably will connect your headphones with the USB-C. And while we're at it, here is the USB-C at the bottom of your phone. You can clean the port with compressed air, soft brush, Q-tips, wooden sticks. Just don't use any metallic tools because you may damage the port. Then restart your phone. If you're using the Bluetooth headphones, then try to disable the Bluetooth, enable it once again, and try to disconnect and connect your headphones also once again. If you want, there's a video on our channel how to fix Bluetooth not connecting. Then try with another pair of headphones to check if your headphones aren't broken. We can go into the sounds and vibration and make sure that this isn't muted. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.